Hello guys, it's me again, Galaxy, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a vending machine. So what you'll need is any color for your vending machine. I'm just going to pick this pink stain color even though it looks red. Next you'll need a lever, red, stone, and a dispenser. And then some more things you will need is a wooden trap door and the first machine you will need some stone buttons. This is in some bottles. So I'm going to use leaping and Alright. So the first thing you want to do is build it 4 and then make it 5 feet or 6 feet high. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 4, 5. Next you want to yeah. Don't make it 4, make it 2. Don't make it 4, make it 2. Or 3. I'm just confused, but I did this before. So next you want to expand it just 1 block on the back or on the front, whichever side, it don't matter. Next you want to line the corner of the vending machine here. A trapdoor there. Now, what you're going to do is, see. This is the door. Alright, let's see. Put it on there. Let's see. Get back to you guys when I figure out how to do it. Alright, you want to place this on the bottom. So I'm not really good at this because this is just a good craft one. So now you want to use this and put it over. So this one will have alright. But so we want this. Let's see. And then when you press the button, you'll have to do that. So next you'll need to label your vending machine. That's on the top. So the poison on the label is gonna be a Sprite. Sprite. And the second potion is going to be a Kool-Aid drink. So those are 2 drinks. We got potion of leaping and potion of strength. So I'll show you. I need to put in clay anymore, so you want to put that over. The button, yeah. You need the button them off. So you want to put down the end of it. Name it Sprite. Let's name it Kool-Aid. So you're just And now you say the drink you want. Well, the heck? See, the Sprite popped up. So got a Sprite, which gives you jump boost for 3 minutes. Look, straight and then jump boost. You can add anything you want, and you can also put it up here if you want something. So I'm going to add 2 new drinks. And this is gonna be like, this is gonna be water, this is water. And this is gonna be some pink lemonade. Alright, so let's do this. I think this is a pink lemonade. And they give you regeneration. So pink lemonade. And next we're gonna put water. So now we're gonna put it out. Let's see. We're gonna do. Alright, and we got a Sprite. Huh. Let me get that boost. So, like, that just don't give me, like, the normal jump boost. Oh, yes, it does. I think it's got a running jump. Oh yes. Look, especially if you jump off a block. It's a jump boost. So let's put the Sprite back. Next, if you want to add some more drinks, you can. This is like gonna be the last drink of the episode. No, we don't want them to get in. We want to get in fire resistance and swiftness. So we can call the potion of swiftness milk shake. Orange one, orange juice. That's just my brother, you know, doing listening to horror people saying. So let's see. Let me put it down there. I'm gonna put it to the milk shake. And we wanna put the orange juice. Look, this feels so good. So let's add these 2 excellent drinks into our vending machine, and we go see which one gets out. It's good. I'm just gonna get a bucket of milk. I can drink it. So what's the food? And we got the pink lemonade, which is regeneration, which I call pink lemonade. Alright. Let's see what we get next. Alright. We got Kool-Aid, which will give you strength for 8 minutes, and orange juice will give you fire resistance for 8 minutes. So I'm gonna end this episode here, guys. Bye. Subscribe though. Subscribe. I love you all. Peace.